Welcome back. Well, another hot one across the area. Not much in the way of rain chances, but that's going to be changing starting tomorrow and really ramping up as we round out the week and head into the weekend. A rainy pattern setting up, and that's going to suppress our temperatures. Now, check out these numbers as we get over to the Key Wall. 95 the high today, but look what it was this time last year when we set the new all-time hottest temperature recorded in Lafayette, going back to 1893, beating the old record of 107. We had 110 degrees on this date, and looking at the numbers this year, we've had roughly half of the 95-degree days, a total of 7 100-degree days, but last summer we had 33. The average for any summer, 100-degree days for any summer over the last 30 years was 1. So this year we had 7. Last year 33. At least we're heading in the right direction. I have more stats though on my Twitter and Facebook feeds. Check it out. I've been running the stats all afternoon long. So what do we have going on right now? We have this upper level low over by Texas. Is very weak, but enough to help shuttle tropical moisture northward, and that means we're going to see a better chance of mostly daytime showers and thunder showers. But as this pattern gets entrenched, we're going to see some sprinkly rains during the overnight hours, misty conditions, and plenty of clouds, and that's going to really shunt those daytime highs down. Lower 90s tomorrow, and will favor 80s thereafter. You can see some big thunderstorm clusters offshore. That's where they're going to stay. Some action across Texas, and locally not a whole lot going on across Acadiana, but we can't rule out an isolated pop-up shower through early this evening. The only activity we're seeing locally on Power Doppler 3 is just offshore as we get over toward the Timberleer Bay area. Elsewhere, quiet. So let's look at the infrared satellite imagery. We see the upper low. We see the tropical moisture. This is not going anywhere. We're not expecting any tropical developments for now. We'll talk a little bit more about the extended tropical outlook tonight at 10. Meanwhile, back in the central and eastern Pacific, we have 3 tropical storms going, none of which should impact Hawaii, although Gilma could bring some big waves to the islands later this week. Meanwhile, in the Atlantic Basin, normally when it's busy in the eastern Pacific, it's quiet in the Atlantic Basin. We love to see that and hear that in the last week of August, but the National Hurricane Center keeping an eye on this area where showers and storms are crossing a little bit further north out of the equatorial region. We could see some development in the next 7 days, but 20% chance on that, so not a big concern at this point. So we'll watch that moisture, plus we're going to be watching the moisture in the Gulf of Mexico. That's going to be impacting us. Almost a little bit of a monsoonal flow of tropical moisture in the region, so that means cloudy, rainy days. It won't rain all day long, but you're going to have on and off activity on some days, and some days you'll get around in the morning, not much in the afternoon, and vice versa. Not much in the morning and then some in the afternoon, and then some rain chances at night. And that sticks around through early next week. Toward the end of next week, maybe a frontal boundary. I see maybe something stronger come mid-September, and we're getting 2 to 3 weeks away from a good fall cool front, so we'll wait on that. And you can see the Euro picking up on tropical system out in the mid-Atlantic, and that tropical wave that we're tracking right now somewhere in the northwestern Caribbean. Broad low pressure here maybe, so we'll have to watch the southern Gulf as well. Again, we'll talk more about that tonight at 10. In the near term, though, scattered showers and thunderstorms developing tomorrow afternoon. We'll have better coverage. We'll be in the 40 to 50% range, perhaps more. The model's giving us mixed signals for tomorrow. And then as we head into Thursday, on and off showers and thunder showers, mainly daytime activity, and more of that moisture as we head into Friday. As for rainfall over the next 60 to 72 hours, some folks get a little rain, others get several inches of rain. Nature of scattered showers and thunderstorms, but we could all use the moisture, and we'll take whatever we can get. Not expecting flooding nor severe weather at this point, but you always have to watch those summer thunderstorms for gusty winds, torrential downpours, and maybe a downburst wind. 78 the overnight low tonight, maybe an isolated shower possible toward daybreak. Tomorrow we'll go 92, maybe 93 for a high, but more cloud cover. That'll keep the temperatures down a bit. And as we get later into the afternoon, we'll see the risk of showers and thunder showers, and hear some rumbles of thunder as well. As we move forward, you see those rain chances ramping up and staying up for the rest of the week into the holiday weekend, and then eventually change 10 days down the road. That's it for weather for now. We're going to have more coming up in just a little bit.